Good morning and welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. We're diving into the latest developments shaking global markets, from cryptocurrency corrections to fresh economic policy debates. Eli, let's start with what's driving the headlines.
Thanks, Maya. One of the biggest stories is John Tamny's perspective on stimulus checks. He argues that sending $2,000 to Americans won't create inflation, but simply redistributes existing wealth. That challenges the Fed's cautious stance on rate cuts, which some fear could fuel a 1970s-style devaluation.
Interesting. So no real boost to demand, just a reshuffling of resources. Meanwhile, stocks are pulling back after strong 2024 gains. Goldman Sachs Waldron describes this as a healthy correction, especially for AI-driven names like NVIDIA. How should traders interpret this?
Absolutely. With NVIDIA's earnings looming, markets are bracing for either confirmation of AI hype or signs of overheating. The labor market uncertainty and sticky inflation add to the nervousness. This pullback might be overdue, especially after such a strong run-up.
Let's turn to technicals now. Bitcoin's been under pressure. Can you walk us through the one-day Ichimoku analysis for Bitcoin Tether?
Sure. The Ichimoku Cloud shows a strong downtrend with price consistently below the cloud. Both the conversion and baselines are bearish, and the cloud itself is green but acting as resistance. Until we see a break above the cloud's lower edge near 109,000, the trend remains bearish.
And what about Ethereum? The buy-hold-sell strategy paints a similar picture. Can you explain what traders should be watching?
Definitely. The buy-hold-sell indicator shows a strong bearish trend with short-term and long-term moving averages both declining. Ethereum is trading below both, confirming the downtrend. No reversal signals yet, so bears remain in control.
Turning to stocks, NVIDIA's been a powerhouse, but the 4-hour smart trend indicator shows lower highs and lows. What's that telling us?
It's a classic sign of short-term weakness. NVIDIA's price structure is deteriorating, and volume confirms the bearish move. Traders should be cautious, watching for a break below $181 support, which could extend the decline.
Let's circle back to global shifts. HSBC's CEO highlighted a major change in trade patterns. Asia buys Asia. What does that mean for markets?
It reflects a decoupling from Western markets. Intra-regional trade is growing, driven by AI, geopolitics, and climate adaptation. This shift could add 1.8% to regional GDP, reshaping supply chains and investment flows for years to come.
Finally, a quick word on metals and commodities. Are they offering any safe haven appeal amid this volatility?
Metals are consolidating, but with average true range declining across assets like Ripple and Avalanche, we're in a low volatility environment that often precedes a breakout either way. Traders should stay alert for expanding ranges.
Thanks, Eli. To recap, stimulus debates, tech sector jitters, and global trade realignment are top of mind. Keep an eye on NVIDIA earnings, Bitcoin's cloud resistance, and whether Asia's trade pivot accelerates. Join us tomorrow for more updates. I'm Maya Keynes. See you then.